Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the snipping tool here in Windows 11. All right, so first up, let's go ahead and open up the snipping tool. You can go ahead and go to your search bar and just type in snipping tool, like so. And just click on it to open it up. Here you have it. And as you can see here, you can also press Windows logo key Shift plus S to start a snip. Okay. Now for easy access, you can just go ahead and pin the snipping tool right here on your taskbar. Okay. Just right click on it and then click on pin to taskbar. So when you close this one and the next time you need it, just go ahead and go to your taskbar and click on it to open it up. All right. Now from here, if you just want to take a screenshot, just make sure that you are under the snip icon or camera icon, not on record. Okay. In here, click on new. Now at the top, you can go ahead and choose a mode, maybe rectangle, window, full screen, or freeform. Okay. When you select just rectangle, you can just go ahead and drag or hold and drag and select the space that you wanted to take a screenshot, like this one. All right. Now, if you want to save this one, just right click on it and hit on save as, and save it wherever you want. Save. There you have it. And if you want to edit it, or maybe just add a little writings on it, click on these ball pen and marker. Okay, I'm going to use the ball pen for now. Maybe add in your signature. Okay, marker. Change the color. All right. If you want to erase something, just use the eraser. Crop it once more if you want to. Check. Now, once you're happy with it, just go ahead and save it. Going back to snipping tool, I'm going to open it up. Let's move forward to a recording or video recording. Click on new. And in here, there are no modes. All you have to do is just select this space where you want it to record. All right. As you can see, just like that, and then hit on start. Now the recording will only be in this space. Okay. Right here. Now I'm going to stop it. Here's the video, as you can see. You can trim it by editing using Clip Champ or use the trim right here. All right. Maybe there. Hit on apply. Now, if you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and hit on save on your desktop. Save. There you go. All right. That is basically how you do it. Now, going back on image or snip mode, now let's go ahead and select full screen. All right. New. As you can see, it captured all of my screen right here to monitor. And that's basically how you use snipping tool in Windows 11. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.